Yeah, I've come to figure out that my job as director around here, when we have these sorts of conferences, my most important job is to let people know where it is as a result. So just outside the door here to the right. Thank you, and have a great time. No, a couple of different welcomes and then congratulations. So welcome to those folks that are here from out of Duluth. Welcome to Duluth, a great Duluth day. And then welcome to everyone to our facility. This facility has been here since about 1967 and has grown in different ways. We are EPA's only division that focuses in on freshwater ecotoxicology and freshwater ecosystem research. And since we're here at the head of the Great Lakes, most of our ecosystem work really is focused in on the Great Lakes freshwater ecosystems. And many of you, of course, know Joel, Dave Bolgren, and Tim McGrady, Tom Hollenhorst, and a lot of those folks that are here today, and Connors are here today and participating. And we're proud to be participating in this because I'm congratulating all of you because in the next 2 days you're going to figure out how to scientifically sample the largest water body in the world, freshwater, and come up with all sorts of resolutions on how to get that figured out. So good job. Can't wait to read that summary document. But no, of course we know there's lots of challenges, and we're very proud to be part of the team that will be participating in those efforts. And I look forward to hearing some of these talks that you're running in now. But I certainly look forward to that. It comes at a time for us too that's very opportunistic because we are in the process of doing a lot of internal planning for research, and we on a national level discuss how we participate with CSMI to our colleagues across EPA, and we garner a lot of support for that work. So we're happy to do so and happy to participate. So again, welcome everybody. Please make yourself at home. If you need assistance for anything, Dave here, Dave will be here. Just grab any one of us. So thanks again for coming.